Today we are going to learn two of very important thing about Python. One is variable and the another one is data type. In this video we are going to explore variable first and then we are going to explore different data types in Python. So first of all let's understand what is variable. In simple words, a variable is like a container with some label on it. You can put something inside the container, and later, when you are going to use that thing, you open the container and use the value inside the container or use the item that is inside the container. Let's take an example. If you have a container with name salt in your kitchen, you know what is inside that container. Similarly, in programming language, the label is the variable name and the thing which is inside that label, that is called the data. So this variable and data is very important in any of the programming languages. Now let's understand this thing through some examples. Now here, name is a variable that stores the text Mruduraj. The second variable is age. The age is storing the whole numbers 35. And the third one is price. This variable storing the decimal values 99.50. So simply Python remembers what each variable contains, and when we use it, it gives us that stored value. When I write name, it'll give me Mruduraj. When I write age, it'll give me 35. When I write price, it'll give me 99.50. Now, when you're going to name this variable, there are certain set of rules which you're supposed to follow while you are naming this thing. The first thing is a variable name must start with a letter on it or underscore. Here you can see the example. This AGE starts with letter A. That is perfectly fine. This starts with underscore. That is also fine. But here this variable starts with numeric 1, which is not allowed. Now let's say here we are going to write age. And when we run this, we'll get the answer. But instead of this, if we write one age and then we try to run this thing, it shows it is invalid. So this is our first rule. Variable name must start with letter or an underscore. Now the second rule is you cannot have space in the name. For example, here my underscore name is equal to Mruduraj. Now this is fine. But if you write my space name Mruduraj, then this is not allowed. Now let's see this thing here. My underscore. This is fine. But now instead of this, if we take and we try to run this, it will give error. So my space name is not allowed. Now let's see the third rule. It says you can only use letters, numbers, and underscore, no special symbols allowed, like at the rate, hashtag, dollar. These are not allowed. Let's say here, instead of this, if I use underscore and then shift, okay, it is fine. But now instead of this, if I do it like at the rate and then try to run, it will show me error. So variable name should not be including any special character other than underscore. Now let's see the fourth rule. It says variable names are case sensitive. So if I'm writing age and age, this both means different. So here I have capital A is 35 and small a is 25. Now let's do 5 plus EG, that gives us 40. And if we do 5 plus EG, small ag, that gives us 30, right? So capital AG and small ag is different. Then after we'll see the fifth rule. Always use meaningful name. Instead of using x is equal to 100, use marks is equal to 100 if it is marks. Because when it is meaningful, your code is easy to understand and troubleshoot. right? So it is always good practice to give meaningful name to a variable rather than just telling this as a, b, c, or any random name. The sixth and the final rule is no reserved keywords are allowed. That means keywords like if, else, while, these are the reserved keywords, and you cannot use this type of reserved keywords for naming the variable. Let's say if I'm writing if is equal to 34, it gives invalid syntax. So this is the important thing that you need to keep in mind. So here you have 6 rules that you need to keep in your mind while you are naming the variable. Now based on this, I'm going to ask you a quick short question, and your question is this: which of these is a valid variable name? Your options are this: A, to name; B, my name; C, marks; D, price. Think over it and then write the answer in the comment section. So that's all from this video. In next video, we are going to explore different data types in Python, and that also we are going to explore in detail. So see you into the next video. Till the time, bye bye.